I'm gonna teach you how to make a origami bird. Okay, first you gotta fold it like this. Then gotta fold it like this. And then you want to cut this off. You open it up and there should be a square. Then you fold it this other way like this. And then fold it like back like this, and then you open it up like this, and then you just close it. And then gotta take one side and fold it like this. And the other side like this. And then the other, well, this side right here goes like this. And same with the other side. And we'll do the same thing with the other side of the paper. Oh. Shit, how'd I do that? And then you fold the top like this, then you open it like this. Shit. I killed it. It's messed up. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to do that. I already know what it was. Wow. Speed it up. What the hell did you just do? I put it on the wrong end. The hell? Oh yeah, that's right. Supposed to fold it like this. Then I forgot.
has been a Tyrone Robinson production.